Now we'll do questions in time and work where people don't start at the work at the same time, or even if they start at the same time, they don't carry on throughout together. Like, not a very simple concept. So cases where people join and leave and all those kind of cases. Alright, let's take an example. Say A can complete a work in 10 days. Right? Say B can complete the same work in 12 days. Alright? Okay. Now they tell us that that A and B start a work together. Let's take that case, that A plus B, together they start, A plus B start. Right? But say B leaves after 3 days. So after 3 days B decides that he is incompatible with A, so B quits. But A, being the persevering guy, he continues, right? He carries on. So then the work will be completed in how many days, right? Now we have learned this efficiency concept, right? So let's try to use that concept. So if A can complete a work in 10 days, B can complete in 12 days. So we will assume the total work to be LCM of 10 and 12. So let's write our answers here. Let's assume the total work to be 60 units. So efficiency of A, 5. Efficiency of B, efficiency of A is 3. 6. Oh, why am I assuming 60? 10 and 12, there are 60, sorry. So A will be 6, B is 5. Alright? So 3 days they work. So 3 days A plus B work. Now as you can see, together they will do 11 units in a day. So 3 days they will complete 33. Now B quits in a huff. So what is the work left for A to complete? 60 minus 33, which is 27, which poor A has to complete on his own. He has been ditched by his friend B. Now A does 6 units every day. So in how many days will it complete 27 units? The time taken by A to complete the remaining work therefore will be 27 by 6, which is equal to 4.5 days. So in how much time have they managed to complete the work? Originally 3 days together, and A alone 4.5 days. So 7.5 days they completed the work. Right? We understand this? Thank you. So these are the kind of questions we talk about when we say joining and leaving, and it could be anything at all. For example, it says, say A can complete a work in 10 days. Right? Say B joins him after 2 days. B joins him after 2 days. Right? And it says that that they managed to complete the work in say 8 days. Right? Now the question is therefore that B alone can do the work in how many days? Let's assume the total work to be the LCM of 10 and 8, which is 40, which means how much work can A do in one day? 40 by 10, 4. Alright. Now first day, second day, A worked alone, so the poor chap did 4 and 4, 8. Now what you have to understand here is that all throughout the 8 days A worked, B joined somewhere in between. So A worked for 8 days. So A into 8 is the work done by him. So 4 into 8, 32 is the work done by him. Total work that we assume, 40. So 40 minus 32, 8 is the work done by B. Right? Now B does 8 units in how many days? B worked for 6 days because the work was completed in 8 days, but he joined after 2 days. So B worked for 6 days. So B completes 8 units in 6 days. So in how many days will he complete 40 units? 30 days. So how much time will B take to complete the work? 30 days. Alright? Okay. Thank you.